Next, I'd like to introduce my partner in crime, Dr. Martin Croce, the Chief Medical Officer at Regional One Health.
Thank you, Dr. Howard. See, it's very easy to just wash your hands as soon as you encounter past a container. On behalf of Regional One Health, I do want to thank the city and the county and everyone involved with this, our hospital partners as well. I would just like to reemphasize a few things. There's really only 3 things that we can do to combat this virus. One is wear your mask. It's really quite simple. We wear a mask. I'm a surgeon initially before I entered this role, and frankly, wearing a mask is just not that big of a deal. You just wear it, and that not only protects you, but it protects others as well. It is not a sign of weakness. It is a sign of actually caring for our fellow Memphians, our fellow Shelby Countyans, our fellow Mid-Southerners, our fellow Americans, for goodness sakes. So wear our mask. Wash hands. Again, quite simple. Whenever you pass a dispenser, just reach over, flip it, and wash your hands. Very simple thing, but very effective at combating this virus. And finally, stay apart from each other. With the holidays coming up, it's going to be very difficult. As mentioned earlier, it's nice to get that hug from the long-lost aunt. But we can't do that. We just can't do that this year. And in order that we can do that next year, we have to act now so that we can get ahead of this thing and stamp out this disease. Only by working together with all the hospital partners, with the city and county government, with our neighbors, and with our friends, we can come out ahead. Finally, I just want to mention one thing, that frequently we all have our antennas up when we're at work, because there are people around and they'll say, hey, put your mask on, or don't forget to wash your hands. But sometimes we let our guard down when we leave our place of employment or wherever it is we happen to be. That's where this thing is. It's like, just imagine there's a bear behind every corner, and it will sneak up and get you. So please, we must stay vigilant the entire time that we're awake. I'd like to now introduce Jennifer Chisano, who's the Chief Nursing Officer at St. Francis. Oh, one other thing. This is not wearing a mask. This is wearing a mask.